Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ang pag-aaralan naman natin ngayon ay under ng Grade 6 Mathematics, first quarter. So to be more specific, ito ay ang addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, so paano ba tayo nag-add ng fractions in different cases or in different scenario? Or kapag iba-iba yung itsura ng fraction natin, paano ba natin sila ina-add? Okay, so bago tayo mag-start, let's have a short recap dito sa mga sumusunod. Una, what is a numerator? What is a denominator? What does a normal fraction look like? What does an improper fraction look like? And what does a mixed number look like? Okay, so alam natin na in order for a number to be fraction, dapat meron siyang tinatawag na numerator and denominator. Okay, ano ba yung numerator and denominator? So pag numerator, ito yung laging nasa taas ng fraction bar or yung nasa taas ng fraction. Say for example, let's represent numerator as n, letter n. Fraction bar, i-represent natin si denominator as d, that stands for denominator. Ayan. Tandaan nyo lagi na yung nasa taas, kahit ano pa yun yung tinatawag nating, yun yung tinatawag nating numerator. While yung nasa baba naman, kahit anong number pa yun yung tinatawag nating denominator. Again, numerator sa taas, denominator sa baba. Numerator sa taas, denominator sa baba. Sunod, what does a normal fraction look like? O ano ba yung tinatawag daw nating normal fraction? Let's say, for example, yung normal fraction na tinatawag natin ay yun yung mas mababa yung numerator sa denominator. Let's say, for example, 1/2. Mas maliit si 1 kay 2. Ano pa? 3/4. 3/4. Mas maliit si 3 kay 4. Ayan yung mga normal na fraction. 2/5. Ayan. Mas maliit si 2 kay 5. Ano pa? 1/3. Ayan. Yan yung tinatawag nating mga normal fraction. Dapat mas maliit si numerator kay denominator. O ano naman yung tinatawag nating improper fraction? So, improper fraction naman ay yung mga fraction na mas mataas, kabaligtaran ni normal fraction. Mas mataas naman si numerator kay denominator. Let's say, for example, 7/5, 4/3, 9/5, 3/2. Ayan, yan yung mga tinatawag nating improper fraction. Again, normal fraction, mas mababa si numerator kay denominator. Si improper fraction, mas mataas si numerator kay denominator. Ano naman yung tinatawag nating mixed number? Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na mixed number or mixed fraction. Pag sinabi natin mixed number, it is a combination of whole number, and a fraction. Let's say, for example, 1 and 1/2. Ano pa? 2 and 3/4. 4 and 6/11. Mga ganyan. Yun yung tinatawag nating mixed number. So, I guess, medyo familiar na kayo kay numerator, denominator, kay normal fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. So, we can now proceed on our lesson, which is all about addition of fractions. So, una, yung tinatawag nating like fraction. Okay, ano ba yung tinatawag nating like fractions? When fractions have the same denominator, they are like fractions. O, kapag daw ang fraction natin ay may magkakamukhang denominator, ang tawag sa kanila ay like fraction. Okay. You can add or subtract fractions when they have like fractions. Okay, remember na pwede lang nating i-add ang fraction or i-subtract. Pwede lang natin i-add or i-subtract ang fractions kung they are like fractions. Pag hindi sila like fractions, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-proceed sa pag-add or pag-subtract sa kanila. Okay, so ano ba yung tinatawag nating like fractions? Again, yung mga fraction na may magkakamukhang denominator. Pag sinabi nating denominator, yun yung nasa ilalim ng fraction. Gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina. Let's say for example, ayan, these are like fractions. Si 1/5, 7/5, 6/5, 3/5, 2/5, and 5/5. Kasi kung titignan nyo lahat, yung denominator nila, they are the same. Magkakamuka. So basically, ito ay tinatawag nating like fractions. Paano naman tayo ngayon nag-a-add ng like fractions? So meron tayong iba't ibang steps kung paano tayo nag-a-add ng like fractions. Una, make sure that you have like fractions. O dapat i-make sure natin na yung fractions natin ay like fractions. Pangalawa, we will add the numerator. Yung nasa taas, i-add lang natin. Pangatlo, we will write the sum over the denominator. Okay, so ilalagay lang natin yung pinag-add natin over the denominator and write the answer in simplest form. So let's say, for example, we have 1/5 and 5/7. So una, we have to make sure that we have like fractions. So meron ba tayong like fractions? Yes, because they both have the same denominator, which is 7. The next thing that we need to do is to add the numerators. Ganun lang kasimple. I-add natin yung numerators, yung 1 at saka yung 5. Next is, write the sum over the denominator. Ano ba yung sum ng ating 1 and 5? So, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. And then, ira-write lang natin siya over the denominator. Ang denominator natin ay 7. So, basically, kokopyahin lang natin si 7. Again, in adding like fractions, i-add natin yung numerator, kokopyahin lang natin si denominator. So, the final answer is 6/7. So, ganun lang kasimple. Paano naman tayo ngayon nagsusubtract ng like fractions? First, again, we have to make sure that you have like fractions. Pangalawa, instead of adding, isusubtract natin yung numerators. Pangatlo, we will write the difference over the denominator. And lastly, we will write the answer in simplest form. So una, we have to make sure that we have like fractions. So basically, si 5/6 at si 1/6 ay like fractions kasi magkamukha sila ng denominator, which is 6. The next thing that we need to do is to subtract the numerators. Okay, instead of add, isusubtract natin. 5 minus 1 is simply equal to 4. So write the difference over the denominator. So we have 4. Kokopyahin natin si denominator, which is 6. So we have 4/6. And then, write the answer in simplest form. Why? Bakit this time pinapasulat ko siya in simplest form? Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, si 4 at si 6, they are both divisible by 2. So basically, pwede pa natin siyang i-express in its simplest form. So paano yon? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Ayan. They are both divisible by 2. So that means our final answer is 2/3. So para mas maintindihan nyo, let's have a simple exercise sa pag-add or pag-subtract, pag-simplify, at paggamit ng mixed number sa fraction. Okay, so I'll give you maybe 20 minutes to accomplish this activity. I-pause nyo muna yung video and then sagutan nyo and then i-continue nyo na lang ulit kapag natapos nyo ng sagutan. Okay, let us now answer this. Una, 2/5, again, ang pinag-uusapan natin ay like fractions. Dapat magkamukha yung denominator. 2/5 plus 2/5. So una, kopyahin lang natin yung denominator which is 5. Ayan, 5. And then, i-add lang natin yung 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Copy yung denominator which is 5. Okay, next. 2/3 minus 1/3. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. Kopyahin lang natin yung sa ilalim na denominator which is 3. So, we have 1/3. 3/4 plus 2/4. Ka-add lang natin yung 3 at 2. So, we have 5/4. Since nakita ninyo, again, bakit po naging 1 and 1/4? Ang sagot talaga natin ay 5/4. But as you notice, si 5/4 is in what? Improper fraction. So basically, pwede natin siyang i-transform into mixed number. So how many 4 ang makukuha natin kay 5? Isa. Okay. Pag kumuha tayo ng isang 4 kay 5, ilan ang matitira? Isa na lang. Okay, and then kopyahin lang natin yung denominator na 4. So, ganun tayo nagko-convert. Next, 5 plus 3, ay 5 over 7 plus 3 over 7. So, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 over 7. So, ganun ulit. 8 over 7. Ilang 7 makukuha natin kay 8? Isa. Pag kumuha tayo ng isang 7 kay 8, ang matitira na lang ay isa. And copy the denominator, which is 7. Sorry, nagkaroon ng dito. This is 1. Ayan, this is 1. Next, 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So, 3 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 2 over 2. So, bakit po naging 1 na lang? Kasi ganito yan. 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. Copy the denominator, which is 2. So, we have 2 over 2. Okay. But as you notice, magkamukha sila. No? Dapat, para maging proper fraction siya, di ba? Dapat, mas maliit si numerator kay denominator. So, ilang 2 ang makukuha natin kay 2? Isa. Pag kumuha tayo ng 2 kay 2, ilan pa yung matitira sa kanya? Wala na. So, basically, ito na lang yung final answer natin. 3 over 9 plus 4 over 9 is simply 3 plus 4 is 7 over 9. 2 over 8 minus 2 over 8, magkamuka, that is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0, so wala nang natira. 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5, 4 minus 3 is 1 over 5. 7 plus 3 is 11 over 8. 11 over 8. Ayan. Next, 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6 is 5 over 6. 5 over 10 minus 3 over 10 is 1/5. Simplified yan kasi 5 minus 3 is 2 over 10. Pag sinimplify natin, they are both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, we have 1/5. 6 plus 4 is 10 over 7. So, magiging 1 and 3 over 7 kasi yung 10 over 7, ilang 7 makukuha kay 10? Isa. Ilan ang matitira kay 10 pag kumuha tayo ng isang 7? 3 over 7. 9 over 12 plus 3 over 12 is 1 kasi 9 plus 3 is 12. Tandaan nyo lagi. 12 over 12. So, pag magkamukha sila, automatic 1 yung sagot. Pag magkamukha si numerator and denominator. 1 over 7 minus 1 over 7 is equal to 0. Okay. So, sa next video, i-explain naman natin kung ano nga ba yung tinatawag. Paano ba naman tayo ngayon nag-a-add or nagsusubtract ng unlike fractions. Okay? So, you wait for the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share this to your friend and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga latest upload. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.